Hey guys, sometimes you have to make a video showing what not to do. This is one of those videos.
Back up.
As I move to the left side of the field, I notice a barrel sticking out. As you can see, the gun has yellow paint on it. This signifies a rental gun, which typically means a new and inexperienced player. At this moment I have a vision of my buddy Justin Spencer's video. This being the same field and a similar situation, I decide it's go time. Of course the slide fails horribly, and even though I did manage to get a surrender yell in before the super manly screech, the player doesn't call it. So the lesson is, don't do what I did. It probably won't work out like it does in the movies or even in other YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
You like my slide?